Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to see how many hours you have played on a game on Roblox. So when you're here in Roblox, as you can see that you're not going to see how many hours you have played. So all you have to do is go here to ropro.io or just search it up in Google basically and then add it in your extensions here in Chrome. From there you want to refresh your Roblox and then this will pop up right here. So you want to verify right here. So just verify as you can see, and then get code in RoPro verification. So you want to open Roblox, of course, and then let's check it out right here. Once you get that, you'll be able to actually see it right here. So let's just wait for it. So where did it go? Let's just wait for it right here. So I'm pretty sure, let's check out my Roblox there. So generate our code and it's gonna expire in 30 seconds basically. I have no idea what this is. Why is it emojis? So why is it emojis? You'll just have to copy this emojis basically right here. Let's see if that works. And then there you go. So once you are verified already, you will see right here, you can go to the settings on how much you have played. So when you go here in the top right corner, you're going to go to the settings where you will see most played experiences on homepage. It's going to be on by default. So you will see your time and how much you have played basically. You can even check out other things right here when it comes to RoPro. So it's going to be an extension for your Roblox and not just for time management. So I played for 1 minute only, as you can see, and there you go. It's just that simple. So that is how you see how many hours you have played on a game on Roblox.